What is the greenhouse effect?
The greenhouse effect occurs naturally when incoming short-wave solar radiation easily passes through the atmosphere to the surface of the Earth. But the atmosphere, like the glass in a greenhouse, makes it difficult for the heat to escape back towards space. The heat is absorbed by the Earth and then radiated back into the atmosphere. The atmospheric gases give off heat, which is partly directed down toward the Earth and the rest back into space. Without this natural phenomenon, the Earth would be a very cold planet. Thus, the temperature of the Earth is controlled by the amount of carbon dioxide and other gases in the air. Less of these gases and the Earth would be cooler, but a higher than normal concentration of the gases can help to raise the temperature of the planet. Scientists say that our use of fossil fuels is contributing to an increase in the Earth's temperature. Carbon dioxide, the main gas responsible for the greenhouse effect, is released by burning wood, coal, and oil. Recent measurements show that the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has risen about 30% since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution only 200 years ago. This has increased the Earth's average temperature by 1 degree. That may not seem like much, but it has made a difference. According to some experts, the next decade is expected to see the warmest temperatures than at any other time in tens of thousands of years. Unfortunately, we may not be able to stop or reverse this warming. If you are saying, so what? Think for a minute. Global warming will have a great effect on the polar regions. Already, large icebergs have broken away from the main ice sheets of Antarctica. If the planet's average temperature should rise, as predicted, between 2 and 6 degrees centigrade, within the next century, the ice caps will begin to melt. This will cause a rise in the levels of the oceans. A rise of sea level of 10 feet would flood most of the Earth's coastal cities and other low-lying regions. These low-lying regions include Bangladesh in southern Asia, the Netherlands in northern Europe, most of southern Florida in the United States, and many other places around the world. The amount of change in the Earth's temperature depends primarily on 2 things. 1, how much carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, and 2, how fast the tropical rainforests in South America and Africa are destroyed.